Flower power. Hi everyone, your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparks the Flames Education, where you get great science, math, and reading content, and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now. Thank you. They say April showers bring May flowers. So let's talk flowers, people. It is May. So flowers are usually the most obvious part of a plant because they're generally very colorful and they have all these different shapes. We have lots of different varieties of flowers, and usually it's one of those things that stand out when you see a plant. Now, flowers serve a very important purpose when it comes to plants because flowers hold the reproductive cells of a plant. This is where you find the cells that will create a whole new copy of that plant. You find it in the flowers. So flowers are really, really important. Now, what happens is that flowers will have something called a pollen and also something called an egg. And when those two combine, fertilization will take place and it will produce a seed. Now, how does this happen? Sometimes the pollen just goes flying off into the air, and people who have allergy to these things will start sneezing and sniffling. But then the pollen can also land on another plant of the same species. And when it does this, it can find its way to the egg. Yes, people, they're tiny little egg structures at the base of the flowers. I should dissect the flower. Maybe next time I will. But if you open up a flower, at the base of the flower, you'll see these little eggs. And the pollen will grow a tube all the way down to the egg and release the DNA that it has, and it will fertilize the egg, and the egg will become a baby plant inside of a seed. So a structure will grow over it to protect it, which is the seed. And then even the seed itself gets covered again by fruits if it's a fruiting plant. And then when we eat the fruit, we help to distribute the seeds. And those seeds then grow into a whole new plant. That is so mind-blowingly awesome. So flowers, other than looking very amazingly wonderful, they serve a very, very important purpose when it comes to the plants. They help the plant to reproduce the entire self of the plant by fertilizing the egg using the pollen, creating a seed, protecting the seed, distributing the seed, and then that seed gets to grow into a whole new plant of its own. So thank you all for listening. Flower power it is. Look out for all those wonderful flowers that are going to be blooming and blossoming all over the place this spring. Whenever you see the flowers blossoming and blooming, just expect fruits and food to be produced very soon. So look out for them. Have a wonderful time. Make sure to go outside. Take the children outside and just let them observe nature. For more information about plants and reproduction and flowering of plants, check us out at www.sparksoflameseducation.com, and please, please, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you all. Peace out.